If you guys been watching the channel for a while, you know I'm a mechanic. A lot of you guys are mechanics as well. So a lot of us have to be jack of all trades. We have to know how to fix things. We have to know how to diagnose things. We also have to act as engineers sometimes because the customer wants some type of aftermarket add-on or some lights wired in a certain way. We gotta wear all kinds of hats. We also have to be, at times, welders. Welcome to Garnett-Tools. Welcome to TSB on this special episode, or live, whatever way you want to spin it, of New Tool Tuesday. We're going to go over the Snap-on rip-off, copy, rebrand of Save Phace welding helmets like this one here. Yes, this product is one of those products that Snap-on is inevitably just upcharging the hell out of you. So back in the day, back like 10 years ago, Snap-on used to be like, way before all this social media stuff happened, way back when it was just like a conversation between groups of people, right? Snap-on, everyone would say about Snap-on, either they loved it or it was like, yeah, you're paying for the name. And this is one of those cases where that sentiment rings absolutely true because you're 100% paying for the name. So here it is. Here is the Snap-on equivalent of what I was just wearing. It is the EFP Black Ice welding helmet, auto darkening, with some adjustments of settings. You can see right here that you have your knobs on the side for the shade, as well as the sensitivity settings, and of course the delay. And if we want to have a look at the identical, right? Because the company that makes this welding helmet right here, this one, this exact welding helmet is called Save Phace, right? Spelled like this, not F-A, not, of course, not F-A-C-E, but P-H-A-C-E, right? Save Phace. To further my evidence right now, here you go. EFP. It is the EFP series welding helmet from Save Phace. And what you see on Snap-on site, this welding helmet is called the EFP Black Ice. Same thing. Snap-on wants 426 of your hard-earned dollars for this $100 welding hood helmet, whatever way you want to spin it. And that's with prime shipping at your doorstep in 2 days. You don't like it, send it back. Right? Of course, Save Phace has a ton of different designs, and some of them are going to cost more than this one. But as you can see, blam, plain as day on the side. Here is the grind settings, the sensitivity, and the delay, just like on the Snap-on welding helmet. Now, before you guys run over to Amazon and try to pick one of these things up, there's a couple things you gotta know. Look at this chart on screen right now. Pause it if you have to. But as you can see, Save Phace offers a bunch of different model variations for this same exact helmet. You're going to want to either use the links in my description, which are below the video, or make sure that your helmet you're ordering has the manual controls on the left side of the helmet. Because using this chart, you can see that there's a Gen X and a Gen Y. Now, the one we're talking about in this video is going to be the Gen Y or E series. Yes, Save Phace went ahead and renamed them. So the E series or Gen Y is the one that's auto darkening. That's the same as Snap-on's, that has the three manual controls on the left side of the helmet. The Gen X or the F series is not. It's a lower version of that same helmet. So be cautious, be vigilant at which one you're ordering. If you use this chart again, you can see that Snap-on also rebrands the larger or higher model of the same helmet that has a bigger sensor and stuff like that. So you're going to want to check on that to make sure you're ordering the 1-for-1, copy or rebrand that you're looking for, and not like the lower variant. You want a side-by-side shot? I got you covered. I could do that. Side-by-side shot. As you saw in the thumbnail, this welding helmet hood is exactly the same thing. Inside, out. The difference, the biggest difference, of course, is going to be the Snap-on logo right there. That's the difference. Of course, Save Phace is going to offer this helmet in black as well. It's going to be, for some reason, actually, $50 more than this one. Don't know why there's that much of a disparity between prices. But, of course, this one, $100, as you saw, is at your doorstep in 2 days. Goes from, let's see, a 6, you got a 6, a 10, an 11, a 12, and a 13 on here. Then you have sensitivity adjustments and a delay. It actually, once you put it in grind mode, it actually clicks. If you can hear that. Now, the funny thing is I would love to see how a Snap-on fan would justify something like this, because one justification is that, oh, Snap-on, I get their warranty. Well, let's see. Is there a warranty? Private branded. Even says it's rebranded on their website. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. They're not even hiding it from you at this point. You're going to have a 2-year warranty on the auto darkening portion and a 1 year for the rest of it. Now, the only downside to this, right, would be I don't really know what the warranty period is for a Save Phace mask directly from the company, and I don't really see a Amazon, or I don't see it say that on Amazon neither. I was able to find through the Wayback Machine Save Phace's warranty. I don't know when they stopped putting out this warranty, but here is the statement. It's a pretty long, stringent warranty process, but as you can see, it is a 2-year limited warranty on the auto darkening filter lens, just like the Snap-on warranty. It's 2 years on the filter, 1 year on the materials of workmanship. If you're needing to warranty this thing, you're going to have to contact Save Phace directly, but compared to the purchase price, right, for $100, you can buy 2 of them, supply your own warranty. Screw it. You're still less than half the cost of what Snap-on wants to charge you for one. You can buy your own parts. You're still less than half the cost that Snap-on wants to charge you for one helmet. So that's really the thing. I don't know how any Snap-on fanboy justifies this being $326 less than Snap-on, and it's egregious. That's absolutely egregious. It's exorbitant. It's too much money for a product to be in existence that is literally the same thing. Not a copy. It's made by someone else. You're just slapping your name on it. The other way Snap-on fanboys would justify this is that they can use the credit from a tool truck, right? At $100, you really don't need that. Split $25 up 4 times, and there you go. You absolutely do not need that. Amazon offers you credit. You can go out and get your own credit card, and that's the lowest I've ever seen anything. So even PayPal, you can go out and get PayPal to finance $100 for you. $99 or more. They're gonna give you 6 months no interest. So there's just no justification for why this is so much more than what it actually costs. for a more direct comparison for you guys, right, we'll click on the murdered out one. $143 for the black version of this same exact helmet, same exact thing. Still auto darkened, still with the grind setting, still with everything the same. $150, free shipping. Get yourself some stickers, call it a day. Then you're still less than half of Snap-on's cost. And that's even if you want this one. You might find a better one, on Amazon. The upcharge, Snap-on's probably getting them for $50, $75 a pop, and then charging you literally 5 times their purchase price. Which, now look here, if it was something like $275, wouldn't have a problem with that. If it was something like $299 even, would not have a problem with that at all whatsoever. Zero problems with that, right? There's a company called ESAB, probably people like better than this helmet. That would be like in the same like area, right? They're kind of sometimes compared. I for one compared those two helmets myself, the ESAB to this helmet, and if they were the same price, if Snap-on was selling them for $300, no big deal, right? Not really that big a deal. That's what, $200 disparity from the Amazon price, a double upcharge a double upcharge for the actual apples to apples black one. Wouldn't really have that much of a problem with that. But when it's $426, come on.